Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations Christmas in July Yarn Advent Calendar. And today we are going to be opening day number 11. It is July 13th because we will be drawing a winner in 2 days. On July 15th, we will be drawing the winner. So this is the next to the last day of opening the Yarn Advent Calendar. So I'm going to open this and then I'm going to do another unboxing for Knit Crate. So here we go. It is extremely warm in the craft cave today. I didn't want to, we have central air, but this is up on the second floor, which is why I don't come up here very often. Because even though we have central air, it doesn't cool upstairs because this is almost like a Cape Cod. It kind of sits in an attic portion. So it gets really warm. So we actually have, this is a bedroom. There's a bed in front of me. And then on the other side of the yarn wall is another bedroom. And we have window air conditioners in both of those because it's too hot to stay up here otherwise. But I didn't want to turn the air conditioner on because I was afraid y'all wouldn't be able to hear me when I'm talking. So if you see perspiration coming down, I wonder how a wig holds up with perspiration. We shall see. This looks very similar. This is called Mexican hot chocolate. It looks very, very similar to one of the other days that I opened. It's more reds though. The other one I believe was more purples. This one is more like a chocolatey brown, and then there's some red in it and some real light gray. So it's really pretty. And again, it is called Mexican hot chocolate. So that being said, let's get on to the Knit Crate unboxing. Now this is the June Knit Crate. This is the one that they send me for free to review because I've canceled the rest of my order. I do like Knit Crate and I think their products are good, but their prices have gone up and it's just a little out of my price range at this point. So let's take a look at what they sent me for free because I can't complain about that. So it always comes in a little box with tissue paper inside. And this is really, really pretty. Let me show you what they sent. Here's the color. Is that gorgeous? It's like a variegated rusty color, or not variegated, but a tonal rusty color. And the color is called Old Barn, which it fits exactly. It is 34% cotton, 35% linen, 19% lyocell. I'm not sure what that is. I will put a little definition for you real quick. And 11% nylon. This is a sport weight. There's 351 yards in each skein. So altogether there are 702 yards. So you can make something substantial out of 702 yards. But there it is. It is a nice summer weight. And then they sent me some goodies, which I'm not going to use because I don't drink coffee. They sent me Copper Cow coffee. There you can see it. And the flavor is vanilla, oh, is it vanilla pour over? It's a Vietnamese coffee. And then they sent me, also from Copper Cow Coffee, milk and sugar latte creamer. Now, Dave does drink coffee, but the thing is Dave's diabetic, so he can't have this kind of creamer, and he only drinks decaf. So I will pass this on to my kids because they do drink coffee. So yeah, they can have that. So the patterns for this time, and I left it downstairs. So let me read out the patterns to you. This is one of the Knit Crates where I actually liked all 4 patterns. Now when you order a Knit Crate box, no matter whether you get the sock box, which is a little cheaper, but it's only 1 skein of sock weight yarn, or this one, which is the Knit and Crochet membership box, you will get the same patterns for either box. So you get a total of 2 crochet patterns and 2 knit patterns. 2 of those patterns, or not 2 of those, but one of those patterns in the knit and in the crochet are for socks, okay? The only one I was not as crazy about was the crocheted sock pattern. I like the sock part of it, but the part that goes up your leg is kind of lacy, webby looking. I didn't care for that. I would probably just leave that out, but the sock part of it was fine. So the first pattern is the knit pattern, and like I said, I like both of these that I'm going to show you. The knit pattern is called Summer Nights Ponchette. It's by Afifa Knit Designs. Isn't that pretty? I like the term ponchette because I have another ponchette that was actually technically called a capelet. It was like a shell capelet. It was a pattern from Knit Crate. I made it and so did Kim, but I would never call it a capelet because a capelet usually opens in the front and this one goes over your head. But I like the little ponchos that just cover your shoulders and hang down just a little bit. They're just the perfect weight for what you need on a cool evening. So, or to dress up something, or to hide bat wings on your shirt, or, you know, on your arms. So yeah, so we like that. So that is the first pattern. The crochet pattern I also liked. It's called the Bonfire Capelet. There's that word again, capelet, and that is by Natalie Thomas of Detroit Knots. And then the 2 sock patterns, the knit pattern is called Repose by Ruth Brosh. And here's the one that I would do away with the little webby looking things going up your legs. And that's called Wheatfield by Roan Strong. So if you're interested in giving Knit Crate a try, you can get your first box at a discount. I think it's 50% off the last I checked. I'm not positive, but I think you can get it for 50% off. I will put the link down below if you want to check it out and see what they're offering as a price for you. So anyway, that is it for today. So thank you again for joining, and you have one more day to join the Christmas in July fairies before I do a drawing. So make sure you get entered if you haven't already. The link will be at the end of the video. Thanks so much. Bye everybody.